Module 1, add a template closing to your Powtoon video. Click on Edit to open your video. Click on Scenes, My Scenes, and then just click on the closing template. Module 2, create a YouTube thumbnail. Click on the specific video project, open it, and then just update the name and the program's information based on the existing formatting. And then just preview and export. When all the information we need is on the screen, pause it. And then let's make a screenshot of it. Try to capture the background as much as you can. And then save it as a PNG form. That's it. Module 3, transform M4A to MP3. Here we need a Dolby Media Encoder 2018. Open the software. Locate the original M4A file. Drag and drop to the right top column. Make sure the export version is MP3. Make sure the exporting location is correct. Click on the green play button. Once it's done, you will see a green check. Ta-da! The MP3 form. Module 4, add a narration to your Powtoon video. Click on the little speaker below the video. Click on Add VoiceOver. Upload. Locate the MP3 narration recording. Click on Use. And then play together. So, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please write below to let me know. Thank you.